Hey you guys, welcome to my channel today. So today I'm going to be making Philly Boy J cooking show macaroni and cheese copycat. Okay, so I'm gonna follow his recipe 9 out of 10 but I'm gonna do my own thing, but 90% of this is his. Okay, so I will show you the ingredients and then we'll keep it moving from here. Okay, so I have my pan already coated with butter and oil. This is not the healthiest recipe, you guys, so yeah, but it's gonna taste good. But like I said, it's not the healthiest, but you guys know. And here we have 2 eggs, we have salt, and we have carnation milk. He only used 1 carnation milk, but I have a little one left from making my cornbread, so I have a little one here which I will be using. I have black pepper, I have sugar here. I'm gonna be using brown sugar, but he did use white sugar, but I'm gonna use brown sugar. And also a black cheese of cheddar cheese and a black cheese of Swiss cheese. And also he uses 2 bags of cheddar cheese, but shredded cheese, but I'm gonna use 1 white cheese and 1 cheddar cheese. Okay, so those are all the recipes that, or the ingredients that he uses. So now what we're going to do, he did add carnation milk into the bowl like this, everything in here. Okay, and also like I said, I'm gonna add a little bit of it, the other can, I don't want to waste it. And then I'm gonna take black pepper. He did use a tablespoon of black pepper, but I'm just going to eyeball it because I don't want to use too much of black pepper. I'm gonna use a tablespoon of brown sugar and a half a teaspoon of salt. I already salted the macaroni, you guys, so yes, I'm gonna put it here, and then I'm going to mix this up like so to pour it into the mixture. Okay, so these 2 black cheeses here, cheese that he has here, he's gonna use this, or I'm gonna use this at the end, or when I'm ready to put the cheese or the macaroni in the oven. So that's when I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna cut it up, but yeah, he did put these ingredients in a bowl and then, you know, put it into, but for right now we're gonna put these 2 cheeses in here, which is the cheddar cheese. Okay, the cheddar cheese. I already boiled my macaroni here, you guys, so I only boiled this macaroni for like 4 minutes, you guys, just 4 minutes, because he did not want you to cook it all the way, just halfway through. Okay, so I have this in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this whole cheese in here. Yes, you guys. Like I said, this is not the healthiest, but I just wanted to try his macaroni and cheese style and see what it's all about. Okay, guys. So let me get a big spoon. So I'm gonna mix this up like so. And then after that, I'm going to put the mixture in. But what Jay did was, he did put everything like so, mix this up like so, and then put the macaroni into the pan without the mixture. But I'm gonna put everything else in here so that everything can marinate together. So like so, mix everything well. And then just add it in. And mix everything in like so. And then put it into the pan and add the black cheese on top of it. And make sure you mix everything in together. Okay, guys? Make sure you mix it all the way because he wants you to get everything in and everything evenly distributed, as he said. So I'm gonna mix this really good. I'm going to come back after I cut the black cheese and then put everything together and then put it in the oven. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I am back with the black cheese cut up into pieces here. So what did Philly Boy Jay did was, you know, empty the macaroni into this bowl right here, into the baking pan, and then put in the black cheese in and then stir it. But I'm going to stir it in here and then bake it, because I think if I try to stir it all over into this pan, I'll just poke a hole in there. That's just me. I'm just gonna prevent it and just mix everything, you know, this way, like so. But you can surely do exactly what he did. But I know this Dollar Tree pan ain't that too sturdy, so I'm not going to make a mess and then end up changing it back up again. So I'm just going to do what I do and be on the safe side, if you ask me. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just going to mix everything up, make sure it's evenly distributed, and then put everything back in the baking sheet and call it a day. Yeah, you guys, I'm having seafood with cornbread, with fish and macaroni. I try to do some big broccoli. I don't know if I have time to do it, but that's what I want to eat. So you guys, yeah, so now I'm just gonna put everything in here and then let it do what it do. Okay, evenly distributed, as he said. It look moist to me, so we're gonna see. I think there's too much over here. Or should I just put the whole thing inside? Like so. You guys, my son loves macaroni and cheese so bad. So I only like macaroni and cheese when it's baked. Other than that, I don't want it. So he said to bake this $3.75 for 25-30 minutes. So I'm gonna come back and show you guys when it's all done. So yeah, I'm not sure if he wants this covered up, which I'm pretty sure he does. And then if he doesn't, I will tell you guys again once I come back, okay guys? But that looks so ooh, I'm not even gonna pick it up. But that looks so good, don't it? Yes. All right guys, I'll see you guys when it's all done. Bye. Here you guys, so I am done with this macaroni and cheese. As you can see here, you know, I put the top on a broiler so they can get really, you know, brown. This is not burnt, you guys, okay? So this side is where I was digging in. That's why I didn't get the same color as this. I didn't want to wait anymore. So yeah, so you guys, let's get to this and see how everything is right now. Okay, so we're just gonna get a section here. The crunch, you guys, look at the crunch. Ooh, the crunch. Okay, I can feel the crunchiness of this whole mac and cheese thing. Look at that. Oops, look at that. So you guys, this is how it will look. Okay, so let me get a fork here. Try it, you guys. It's cheesy, it's moist as well, and I make it very crunchy. And you guys, look at the bottom of this. So I have my fish and cornbread, no vegetables. Okay, it's good. Okay, look at that. It's very good, you guys. So definitely recommending this recipe here, you guys. I will try to link his information so you guys can watch his show and support his channel. Philly Boy Jay doesn't know who I am. If you end up going to his channel, tell them I sent you to try this recipe, you guys. Let's talk about the cornbread, y'all. Okay, yeah. Alright, you guys, I'll see you guys on my next one, okay? Bye.